Hello and welcome to PrivadoVPN's channel. If you're locked out, don't worry. Head over to the PrivadoVPN website or open the app and click the Forgot Password button to get started. To reset the password, enter your account username or email address and click the Send Code button. The code for resetting your password will be sent right to your registered email address. If you do not see our email arriving in the next few minutes, please remember to check your spam folder. Once you receive the email, copy or memorize the code that was sent. Then enter the code on the website. Create your new password, confirm it, and hit Save Password. You can now open the admin area or the Privado app using your new credentials. If you need to change your password in the future, click Change Password inside the admin area. Enter your new password and click Submit. In the next step, you'll see a confirmation message that the changes were successful and that you've been logged out on all devices. Please sign in again using your updated password. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time. We're available 24/7 and happy to help.